Oh my God, I can't believe it. We were walking home, my son, Penny, and myself, and we were walking down Salter, and some absolute Dickensian in the curb lane totally soaked us. And I mean soaked us. My pants, my parka, Penny's coat. It was like a tidal wave. He never slowed down at all. She was disgusted. Gutter water all over herself, and now we're going to the laundry mat tomorrow, but I managed. The curb splashing gods were with me, and the light turned red, and we didn't run, but we walked up, and I got there soon enough to snap a couple of quick pictures of the back of his blue Ford Ranger, and I'm going to try and blow it up and put the license plate number on screen. If I've done it, you'll see it in the right hand corner there, appear a bit blown up or something. You'll see something, but not that he's going to be caught by the people splashers, or I'm going to report it and he has to pay for my dry cleaning. It's more like a respect thing, and it's melting. And the guy stopped at the corner at the red light. One of his friends jumped out and ran across through traffic into Robin's Donuts, and that kind of stuff, right? And I'm sure, I certainly wasn't going to confront him, because we know how that can go wrong. Been there, done that. So, Penny, come on. Come on, Penny. Let's go. Come on. She's not happy. She did not like getting soaked. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's go. Come on. In the tub. Gotta do it. Gotta do it. Walk of shame. Gotta do it. Come on. In the end, it's going to be good. Get in. Get in. Please. Get in the tub. Up you go.